Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow people to make a duet or stitch any of your particular TikTok videos. So once you have your TikTok application open, just head over to the particular video which you would like people to make a duet or to stitch. For example, let's say I want it to be this video here. So once you have the video open, just head over to the three dots at the bottom right corner of the page and then click on that, and then scroll a little bit to the left until you find privacy settings, and then once you see this, just click on this. Once it's open, you should find an option that says allow duet and allow stitch. So you want to make sure these two here are selected here, and then once they are both selected, this can allow people or someone else to make a duet with your video or a particular video which you have, or to be able to stitch a particular video which you have. Okay guys, that's all for this simple and easy tutorial. If the video helped you out, please give the video a like. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.